Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the OBV ADX Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the OBV ADX Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 30 different strategies, with 7 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 414 indicators, with a total of 171 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 171 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. Alright, so today's indicator is the OBV ADX Indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what this is it is the ADX applied to the OBV indicator, the on balance volume indicator. And so here, like I said, at the bottom of the screen, you can see that we have a basically a 0 line, even though it's not actually at 0. It's at the 50 marker. Then we have these bars, green going to the upside and bars red going to the downside. And so obviously what we are looking for is the cross of the green bars or the red bars crossing over that 50 marker. So I'm just going to bump up the opacity of these just a little bit here. That way we can see them just a tad bit better there. And so what we're looking for is the green bars to cross up the 50 marker to the upside, and we will go long, or the red bars to cross down the 50 marker, and we will go short. So we've done this with quite a few indicators before. Nothing really new here. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we're going to pick up the first signal right there. It's going to be a short signal. Let's measure this out, see if it gets us to take profit. And it did. Got us to take profit pretty easily there. Go ahead and continue on here. We then picked up a signal to the upside there, long signal, and again got us to take profit. And over here on this side, picked up another short and take profit once again. Let's go ahead and continue on. So these are the areas that we need to be mindful of. We see that we're doing pretty well. We hit this little bit of consolidation right here. You see that we got bounced in and out of these losing trades right here. And so these are the ones that can be very problematic. But we did end up picking up a short right here on this one. And that one was able to get us to take profit. Then a long over here on this side. Let's see, doesn't look like that one got us to take profit. Let's just double check. Nope. Then we go short right there on that one. I don't think that one was able to get us to take profit either. Zoom in a little bit there. Yeah, actually on this tail right there, that decent little tail to the downside, that one did get us to take profit. So go ahead and continue on here just a little bit. We see that we pick up the long right there on that one, and that one is also going to get us to take profit. So we're about 50-50 at this point. It could go either way. What I'm going to do is go ahead and cut some of the video out here, fast forward it, that way this doesn't get too long, and we will pick this up at the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. Our admins of regular members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, areas that they are interested in taking trades, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering, exiting, taking profits on trades, a whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. As I said in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers with their win rates. And another new thing that I've been doing is that you will get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested. And so that will show exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And myself and the admins are preparing something new and interesting for all the patrons coming up in the next couple weeks to the next month or so. And so trust me, you guys will love it, I promise. So a lot of benefit to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so back to the indicator here. Let's see. Let's get everything in focus here. Gave us a lot of trades. That historically has been problematic, but let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 58. 58 trades. Wow, that is a lot. Did not think that we were going to get quite that many out of it. But let's go ahead and count out the winners and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It was looking like this indicator was going to do better than it did, so it's kind of disappointing that it didn't do that well. But for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.